Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ItsAbeeyola. Today I am doing a video that's been sponsored by Hairtuber. Yes, my very first sponsored video. They were kind enough to send me this conditioning cap and it's got a detangling brush. So we're going to do a review on this. I am so excited because I've actually been wanting to do to try out one of these like microwavable caps, like a steam cap. But anyway, so I just got out of the shower. I am talking super fast. I don't know why. Let's bring it down and slow it down. Alright, but if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. And also give this a like so you can see more content like this. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so this is their detangling set. So they've got this one and they've just got the conditioning set, which has got maybe night caps and the conditioning cap. This one has got the conditioning cap and the comb. I'm gonna open it up. So this is how it comes. Ooh. And then you can choose your style of this is really heavy. Your prints. They've got different prints on the website. And this is the one that I chose. I thought it was quite nice. It looks like Ankara. I think it is Ankara. So yes, it's velvety on the inside, like a towel, not velvet. It's got like a towel feel on the inside. So let's see. I'm not sure how to use this as well. It's also got like a description. Yes, good. So it's got the how-to. They also give you some shower caps, which is awesome. And the detangling brush. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but if you are in like the natural hair world, which you probably are if you're watching this video, you have probably been seeing like lots of people do reviews on these, and I've been seeing that a lot of like, oh my god, you know, so I'm so excited to try this out. I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm gonna try this out. And what else? Yes, I'm excited to try this out and see if I get my own moment. Okay, so this brush has got this and it's got this attachment with it. The descriptions, the Hairtuber has not got descriptions on how to do that, like how to use this brush. Because I'm like, okay, what do I do with this? I don't know. I think you're supposed to kind of maybe, I don't know. But anyways, my hair has been washed. I literally just got out of the shower. This is going to be my conditioner of choice, which is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Heal and Renew. So I'm going to put this on my hair and I will be trying the detangling brush to detangle my hair. So my hair is still pretty wet. Well, it's kind of drying out now already. High porosity. Let's do this. And so I washed my hair because my hair was kind of in a stretched state anyways, and it was already pretty much detangled. So when I washed it, I just finger detangled. So I have not used any tools whatsoever on it. So this is gonna be the first time. This is the tool that we will be trying out. Wow. I think this stuff's actually really, I feel like my hair has gotten, I don't know, it looks nicer every time it just looks nicer now. I did do a trim. I will hopefully upload that video soon. Okay. Okay, so this is the brush. I don't have anything on there. Let's see what happens. I'm not getting my moment. I think maybe if I had done this in the shower, maybe it would be slightly different, but I'm not feeling it, to be honest. I'm not feeling this right now. I'm gonna try with the, okay. Let's put this on. Okay. So the brush has got tiny holes on the back of each row. So I am putting mine on the top row, and then let's see how that works. Because the first one, I just wasn't feeling it. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Much better. Okay, I see it. Okay. Nice. All right, let me try this section. This is my more coarse section. Let me put this into. Okay. Okay, so after combing my hair, this second section, as you guys saw, this is kind of moved off, so like it's not how it was before. It's not how it was before. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like all separate. It's moved out of its place. All right. It's a bit, I don't know, I'm finding it a little bit more challenging to use this than I would what I regularly use. So I don't know. Okay, so I will do this second section off camera with a different brush. Okay, my light's different because it just started raining like really heavily, so it got really dark outside. But anyways, hopefully it's not too bad. But so this is my so I have this, I've warmed this up, and I did it for about 2 minutes in total, and it feels nice and warm, like it's very soothing and comforting, especially now that it's raining outside, and you know, it feels really good to have this on my head. So I'll see how long the temperature lasts at this level, and I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so I have taken the cap off, I have rinsed my hair, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty much the same like it would if I, you know, deep conditioned my hair and washed it out. So my final thoughts on Hairtuber's package. So what was sent to me is called the Healthy Detangling Essential Kit, Essential Care. That's the one that I got. So that comes with the cap and it comes with a brush. I was not necessarily, I didn't care too much for the brush, to be honest. It was fine, but what I personally generally use on a regular is much easier for me and my hair. I prefer using the other brush that I use. So the brush was okay, but it wasn't anything to write home about. But the cap, which I think is like the main thing that they do, was actually really, really good. So when you warm it up, it feels nice and warm. Like you have to like do this and put it on your head while it's still warm. And I had it on for about 30 minutes and it was still warm. When I took it off and I touched my hair felt warm. So definitely this is a keeper. I really enjoy having this. And one of the pros I love about this is I can walk around, I can do other things. Normally I would sit under the dryer and I have to be confined to sitting under the dryer. But with this, you can walk around, you can do your cooking, you can help the children. It's amazing. And I'm sure if your child doesn't mind, you can probably use this on your child as well. I would say it's not the largest. I don't know if they have different sizes, but I would say Hairtuber, maybe you can consider doing like extra large, because I've got a small head and this was quite a bit snug. Not snug like too tight, but if you've got like a massive head, then I don't know if this is going to fit on your head. So it's definitely not big head friendly, I would say. But apart from that, it is a great product. I do recommend this. It's a lot cheaper to get than getting a whole big hairdryer, and it's a lot better and more practical to use because you can walk around the house and you can do other stuff while you're conditioning your hair, and you can actually go out with it. So it's yeah, I think everyone should invest in one of these. I think it's really, really cool. So definitely liked it. I'll leave all the links down in the description and you guys can go and check it out. And also I have a coupon code for you guys. Yes, you can get 5% off with my coupon code, and it is Abby5. So that's it. Again, a big thank you to Hairtuber for sending me all these great this great cap. I have wanted one for the longest, so I'm so glad I have one, and I'm glad that it works as well. So you guys check them out. I'll leave all their link in the description below. And so anyways, that's it for me for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, and also if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos every single week. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.